In today's video, I will walk you through how to add coins to favorites on Gate. If you regularly track certain cryptocurrencies, adding them to your favorites list can save you time. Instead of searching through thousands of coins, you'll have quick access to the assets you care about most. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all of Gate's market tools and watchlist features. Next, click on Markets from the main navigation menu. This page displays all of the cryptocurrencies and trading pairs available on Gate. You'll see information such as current prices, 24-hour price changes, trading volume, and market activity for each listed asset. Use the search bar at the top of the Markets page to find the cryptocurrency you'd like to add. You can search by the coin's name or ticker symbol, such as Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, or ETH. Once the results appear, locate the trading pair you want to follow. Next to the trading pair, look for a star icon. Click or tap the star to add the coin to your favorites list. Once selected, the star will usually change color or become filled, indicating that the coin has been successfully added. You can repeat this process for as many cryptocurrencies as you'd like to monitor. To access your saved coins, return to the Markets page and select the favorites. Here, you'll find all of your favorite trading pairs in one convenient location, making it easier to monitor prices, view charts, and quickly open the trading page whenever you're ready. Using the Favorites feature is a simple way to organize the cryptocurrencies you follow and stay updated on market movements without searching for them every time. And that's how to add coins to your favorites on Gate.